Want to start sharing your product or service tips and boost your store traffic? In this Shopify tips series, I'm showing fast, beginner-friendly ways to set up and grow your store. If you missed my previous Shopify tips videos, check the playlist link in the description. Today, we're going to create a Shopify blog from scratch in just a few minutes. First, open shopify.com and log in with your email and password. On your dashboard, go to Content Blog Posts, Manage Blogs. Click Add Blog, type a title like Shopify Tips 2025 and hit Save. Your blog is ready. Now click Create Blog Post. Add a title, for example, 5 Shopify tips you need in 2025. Type your content, use headings to separate sections, add bullet points for easy reading, insert images and link to related posts. Click Preview to check the formatting. Next, scroll down to Search Engine Listing Preview and click Edit SEO. Add a page title with your main keywords and a meta description summarizing your post. Click Save. And now your blog is SEO ready for Google. Let's organize your post. Set visibility to visible, upload a thumbnail image, add the author name, choose which blog it belongs to, and add tags to help with content organization and SEO. Click Preview to see how it looks live. Make sure your images, headings, links, and layout all look perfect. When everything is ready, click Save. Your blog is now live. Copy the link and share it on your Shopify homepage, social media, or email newsletters. If you want personalized help getting your Shopify store set up or optimized, you can book a free call. The link in the description. Pick a time, tell me what to discuss, and we'll connect. Or if WhatsApp is easier, just click the link and ask your question directly. And don't forget, like this video, share it, and subscribe for more Shopify tips.